Hey guys, we're at the Big Hollow parking area here near Windham, New York, and today we are going to be hiking just a short hike. I think it's about 3.5 miles. It is later in the day. It's 12:30, so we only got about 4.5 hours of daylight, so we won't be out too long. But we're going to hike up to Acra Point, so we'll probably get one view in and then head back. Anyway, that's what we're doing today. Alright guys, we are going up a steep part right here. Can't catch my breath too well. But yeah, it's pretty slow going. We'll see how far we make it. We'll try to make it at least to the junction of the other trail. We're on the red trail now. I think we're going to meet up with the, if I remember right, it's a blue trail. We're going to try to make it at least to there. If not to the summit, we'll see. All right, so we are, when I say we, me, getting up in a little elevation now, and we're in the cloud, so there ain't gonna be no view today. Actually, it's getting pretty thick. Probably not really coming out on the camera very much, but the tops of these trees are in the cloud and starting to lower down to the ground level here. Well, I set my alarm for 2:20. At 2:20 I'm turning around. That'll give me, at least 2.5 hours to get back out before it's dark, just to be on the safe side. Though I do have my headlight with me, and I got the light on my phone if I need it. Alright guys, so we made it to our first waypoint here. We're at the first junction with the blue trail. I still got time, so I'm going to keep heading towards Acra Point. See if I can make it there. It's 0.7 miles, so I don't know if I'm going to make it or not before my alarm goes off. Maybe if I can make it up there, I'll continue on and do the whole loop. Don't know yet. Let's see. We'll see how the weather is. We'll see how if this fog starts to clear up at all, because it's getting pretty foggy around here. Or I guess we're in a cloud or whatever. Alright. Alright, we made it to where there's a view. We ain't gonna have any, I don't think. Let's see. Yeah, nothing. Nothing. Just white. But there's a really good view right here normally. Nothing to see here today. Well, we're just a little ways from the summit, so I think we're going to go for the whole loop instead of turning back. It looks good. Alright, I just came over the top of Acra Point mountain here. Nothing to see. Actually, the summit's right up here behind me. Just it's treed in, we're clouded over. There's no view from up here anyway, even when the weather is clear. So I've decided to carry on and follow this trail back down and around. So I'm going to add about a mile onto my hike today, but it is 2:40, so it's all downhill from here, so I should have no problem making it back before dark, hopefully. Anyway, just taking a little breather here. Whew. Don't need much on to keep you warm when you're moving, but once you stop, it gets kind of cold. But I do have a puffy in my backpack, and I got some other stuff back to extra water. Got a way to start a fire. Got my cat hole digger and wipes in case of emergency, and that's about it really. I have some food, a little bit of food on me, not much. I didn't really think I was going to stop and have a meal today anyway, so just in case, I got some just in case stuff with me. Anyway, I'm going to carry on and make my way back to the car. All right, I'm at my second trail junction here. So I'm going to go off the blue trail, which I've been following the blue trail since the last junction. And now we're heading down yellow. So we got, what is it, 1.5 miles to Big Hollow Road. That's where I parked my truck at. So and it's all downhill from here. It is 3:40. So sunset is in an hour, so looking good. Looking good at getting out of here before dark. The mist kind of cleared off for a little bit, but now it's back. So probably when I go down in altitude a little bit more, it'll probably get less foggy, but there ain't no views down this way anyway, so it don't really matter. I'm gonna get moving and get back to the truck. Hey guys, I made it back to the truck. It is just about 5 o'clock. It's past sunset. Getting pretty dark out now, but I made it back here before it got completely dark, and I made a mistake. I thought about it after I'd already decided to go on and do the whole loop. When I signed in to the trail down on the other trailhead, I put I was just doing an out and back to Acra Point. So if something would have happened to me and nobody came along, they wouldn't have known where to look for me. So that's not a good idea. I shouldn't have changed my plans. I should have stuck to the same plan just in case. Anyway, it all turned out all right. I'm back in the truck and going to be heading home. I did 5.38 miles, about 1,120 feet of elevation. So it was a good day. It took me well, about 4 hours and 22 minutes, I think it was. So not too shabby for being rusty and not being out on the trail for a while. So, and considering the snow and everything, actually the snow kind of made the trail a little easier to walk on because it kind of smoothed out all those little rocks. There's a lot of rocks in the Catskills on the trail, so it kind of smoothed them out a little bit. So it was okay. Had a good day. Anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video. Everybody take care. Be well. Bye for now.